Welcome to the real Wonderlic. 50 questions, 12 minutes. I'll read each one the second your timer starts. You race the clock. Let's go. 3, 7, 15, 31. What comes next? Cobbler is to shoes as Mason is to what? A laptop costs $750 after a 25% discount. What was the original price? Prolific most nearly means the opposite of which word? All runners are fit. Some doctors are runners, so some doctors are fit. Which value is the largest? Four workers build a wall in 6 days. At the same rate, how long for 3 workers? Five, 12, 8, 15, 11, 18. What comes next? Ocean is to puddle as mountain is to what? A price rises 50%, then falls 40%. What is the net change? Which word does not belong? If the day before yesterday was Thursday, what is the day after tomorrow? 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. What comes next? A tank fills in 3 hours via pipe A and 6 hours via pipe B. Both open. How long? All cats are mammals. No mammals are reptiles. Some pets are reptiles, so some pets are not cats. Reticent is to talkative as frugal is to what? The ratio of boys to girls is 3:5. There are 40 students. How many are boys? A shirt is marked up 40%, then sold at 30% off. Versus cost, what is the price? One, 2, 6, 24, 120. What comes next? Which cube can be folded from this colored net? Anna is twice as old as Ben was when Anna was as old as Ben is now. Anna is 24. Ben is How many integers from 1 to 100 are divisible by both 3 and 4? Folded twice, one hole punched, then unfolded. Which hole pattern is correct? Ephemeral is to permanent as sporadic is to what? P finished before Q, R finished after Q, S finished before P. Who finished first? "60% of a class passed, 30 students failed." How many students are in the class? For 9, 19, 39, 79. What comes next? The arrow turns one way and the dot turns the other. Which figure comes next? The car goes 40 km/h for 2 hours, then 60 km/h for 3 hours. Average speed for the trip? Which option is the mirror image of the figure? Which one does not belong? Most accountants are detail-oriented. Some detail-oriented people are impatient. So some accountants are impatient. One, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. What comes next? Painted on every side except the base. How many cubes have exactly 4 painted faces? How many liters of pure water must be added to 10 L of 40% acid to make it 25% acid? On 4, 27, 256. What comes next? Which cube cannot be folded from this net? Three, 8, 18, 38, 78. What comes next? What is the angle between the clock hands at 3:15? A bag holds 3 red and 5 blue marbles. You draw 2, keeping the first. What is the chance both are red? Folded 3 times, punched, then unfolded. Which pattern is correct? Two, 5, 10, 70, 26. What comes next? A does a job in 12 days, B in 18, together for 4 days, then A leaves. days for B to finish. Which figure completes the 3x3 pattern? What is the sum of all the odd numbers from 1 to 50? Which option is identical to the target? Andy says Beth lies. Beth says Carl lies. Carl says both Andy and Beth lie. Who tells the truth? Four, 9, 25, 49, 121, 169. What comes next? Which cube folds from this net? Check every face. When the net is folded, which numbered edge meets the orange edge? It's 63. Each step doubles the number and adds 1. It's walls. That's maker to product. Bricks and stone would just be materials. $1,000. 750 is 75% of the original. Barren. Prolific means productive, so the opposite is barren. Fruitful is the trap. True. The doctors who run have to be fit. 2/3. That's about 0.67, just ahead of 0.625. 8 days. The wall is 24 worker days, split over 3 workers. It's 14. 2 series are woven together, 5, 8, 11, 14. Molehill is the huge to tiny pairing. Down 10%, up 50, then down 40 lands you at 0.9. Ivy, it's a vine, the rest are trees. Monday, today is Saturday, so the day after tomorrow is Monday. 42, the gaps grow by 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 hours, a third plus a sixth is a half. True, a reptile pet can be a mammal, so it can be a cat. Extravagant, reserved versus talkative, thrifty versus extravagant. 15, boys are 3/8 of 40. Down 2%, a 40% markup, then 30 off leaves 0.98. 720. You multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. Its B faces that sit opposite in the net can never touch. The other 3 show an impossible pair. 18. Work the wording back as algebra from Anna at 24. 8. The multiples of 12 up to 100. It's B. Each fold mirrors the hole across that crease. Constant, fleeting versus lasting, occasional versus constant. S finished first. The order is SPQR. 75. The 30 who failed are 40% of the class. 159. Each step doubles and adds 1. It's A. The arrow turns 90 clockwise and the dot 90 the other way, both at once. 52. 260 kilometers over 5 hours. It's B. A mirror flips the handiness, a rotation keeps it. Cube. It's 3D, the rest are flat shapes. Cannot be determined. The impatient ones needn't be the accountants. 13. Each number is the sum of the 2 before it. It's B. Count each cube once and watch the hidden ones. 6 liters, the acid stays at 4 liters and has to become a quarter of the total. 3,125. Each term is n to its own power, 5 to the fifth. It's C. That cube shows two faces touching that sit opposite in the net. Impossible. 158. Each term doubles and adds 2. 7.5 degrees. The hour hand has already crept past the 3. 3 over 28. 3/8 for the first red, 2/7 for the second. It's B. The diagonal fold mirrors across the diagonal, not up and down. 37. The gaps are the odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 8 days, 4 days together leaves 4/9, and B clears it at 18th a day. It's B. Read the rule across the row and down the column. 625, 25 odd numbers, averaging 25. It's B. Only one keeps the handedness, the rest are flipped. Beth, she's the only one whose statement stays consistent. 289, they're the squares of primes. Next is 17 squared. It's B. Only that cube avoids putting an opposite pair of faces side by side. It's D. Two net edges fold into the same cube edge. Find the shared corner. And that's the full run, all 50. Now, if your score wasn't where you wanted it, hear me out. That is not a verdict on how smart you are. The Wonderlic rewards one thing: practice. Every question type has a shortcut, and we break them all down. The full-time course is linked below. Come back, beat your score, and walk into test day calm. You've got this.